Thinking English like a pro. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to speak English so naturally while others struggle to find the right words? The secret isn't just memorizing vocabulary, it's learning to think in English. If you always translate words from your native language before speaking, it slows you down. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you step-by-step techniques to train your brain to think in English faster and more naturally. Let's get started. Why thinking in English is important. Many learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak fluently. One big reason for this is translation. If you think in your native language first, your brain has to translate every word into English before you speak. This takes time and makes conversations feel slow and difficult. Native speakers don't translate. They just think in English naturally. And you can do it too. When you train your brain to think in English, you will speak faster and more fluently. Understand English better without needing to translate. Feel more confident in conversations. Make fewer grammar mistakes. Now, let's go step by step and learn how to think in English like a pro. Step 1. Start with simple thoughts. If you're a beginner, don't worry. Start with simple English words and phrases in your mind. For example, when you wake up, think, good morning. What time is it? When eating breakfast, think, this coffee is hot. I like toast. While walking outside, think, the sky is blue. It's a sunny day. The key is to describe what you see and do in English, even in your thoughts. If you don't know a word, use simple descriptions. For example, if you don't know the word for refrigerator, think the cold place where I keep food. This habit will help your brain get used to using English naturally. Step 2. Talk to yourself in English. It might sound funny, but talking to yourself is one of the best ways to think in English. Try this. Stand in front of a mirror and say, today, I am going to work. After work, I will meet my friend. Before sleeping, summarize your day. Today was a busy day. I went to the supermarket and bought apples. By doing this, you practice thinking in full sentences. It helps your brain organize thoughts in English faster. Step 3. Use English in daily activities. To think in English, you need to surround yourself with the language. Here are some easy ways to do it. Change your phone and apps to English. Write shopping lists in English. Watch TV shows and YouTube videos in English. Listen to English podcasts while doing daily activities. The more English you see and hear, the more your brain will get used to it. Step 4. Learn English phrases, not just words. If you only memorize individual words, it's harder to form sentences quickly. Instead, learn phrases and expressions. For example, instead of just learning the word hungry, learn the full phrase. I'm hungry. Let's get something to eat. If you learn full phrases, you don't have to think about grammar. The words naturally come together. Step 5. Practice thinking in English with a timer. Here's a fun exercise. Set a timer for 1 minute and try to think only in English. Describe your surroundings or what you're doing. Example. I am in my room. There is a book on my desk. I will read it later. At first, it might be difficult, but with daily practice, your thoughts will become faster and more natural. Step 6. Have conversations without translating. When speaking English, try to respond quickly without translating in your head. Even if your sentences are simple, that's okay. For example, if someone asks, "What do you like to do on weekends?" Don't think in your native language first. Instead, train your brain to respond in English immediately. I like to go to the park and read books. The more you do this, the faster your brain will process English naturally. Step 7. Be patient and keep practicing. Thinking in English takes time, but the more you practice, the easier it gets. Even if you make mistakes, don't worry. Every mistake helps you learn and improve. Just remember, think in English every day. Use English in daily activities. Practice speaking without translating. With consistent practice, you'll be able to think in English like a pro. Final words. Start thinking in English today. Now it's your turn. What is one thing you will do today to start thinking in English? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.